MBA ग्रेजुएट्स इकरा नाजिर और इफ्शान बरजा ने श्रीनगर के जवाहर नगर में खोला है द क्लब अ मल्टीप्लेक्स स्टोर। इसकी इनॉग्रेशन डॉक्टर गजाला नूर ने की। इन युवा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ने न केवल ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स को लॉन्च किया है, बल्कि इसमें औरतों की मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में भी ध्यान दिया जाएगा। इसके अलावा औरतों के लिए फिजियोथेरेपी सेशंस, मेंटल हेल्थ सेशंस भी रखे जाएंगे।
We both are recent MBA pass outs and we have just opened a store at Jawahar Nagar. The name of the store is The Club, a multiplex store. Basically, it is a store where we have focused on women, and here you can get some accessories, makeup, jewelry, hair and skin care, sanitary and lingerie. Fine.
And apart from that, if we see today, every store in Kashmir also, because of commercialization, we have products. Since everyone has products, so we are not here to sell our products only. It's about the services that we have to provide. For us, this is just a platform to start with, to get the customers in.
Actually, we have thought about concentrating on women health, which has not been forecasted yet. उसके बारे में अभी तक किसी ने ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं है. Like there are some issues like mental health, women mental health. People suffer, especially girls and women. They suffer from depression and anxiety. Nobody has talked about it yet. This issue has not been forecasted yet. We want to make people aware. We want to make girls and women aware.
Like today, we see there are some old women who face these issues with their knees. They have pain in their knees. So we will be focusing on some sessions that will be done in future. The dates will be announced or informed to the people through media. So we'll work on that, like physiotherapy sessions will be there. Like she said, my partner, there will be some sessions on mental health. And apart from that, PCOS, that is a major concern today. So we all will be talking about that. So for now, this is just a platform. The club is a platform for all of this. We are here to offer people with not just the products but the services. We will be here all the times. We see in Kashmir that there are no owners who you can talk to, who are there as a face, but will be always available here. And
we have chosen this over the jobs. We both are from working, we are not from business class families. We are job class families. My dad is a law officer. Her dad is a bank manager. We could have easily got a government job, but we chose this over that jobs.
we have to go for business.
People study something and they do something. They're not happy with the work.
But for us, it was not a chance. It was not a chance. We wanted this and we did it.
Yeah.
If we talk about support, definitely we had a family to support. Initially, maybe there were some reluctance.
A little reluctant because we come from a job class family.
But right now, they are very supportive. And about our family, relatives, everyone was there. And I believe that, if you have family at your back and they support you, you can do anything. You can
We
achieve
already
anything.
had our families at our back.
We have our families today at
always
launch.
supported
They're very
us.
happy.
They're very positive.
They're very positive. They're very supportive. Apart from that, the message that I would like to give to the girls of the valley and women of the valley is that believe in yourself. You can do anything you want to. There will be lots of hindrances coming in your way, but then you should choose to go. You should choose your path and try your best to achieve your dreams, whatsoever it will be. I know that there will be failures and disappointments. There are. We faced a lot, but then everything will be fine and you will achieve one day.